to recap the Altatin season 3. Yeah, season 3, episode 9. So shrubile ke manje. Yakhumbula i-couple yethu last week yavumelana with a divorce, ne? So today ubonga obize meeting khona abangani bakhe u-3, umalume wakhe nobhuti wakhe uzobatshela ukuthi benonkanyezi khona nobhuti kankanyezi benonkanyezi ba-divorce. So everyone was shocked by this news. Athuka ufika nathi hawu boy wena nje kade lokhu usitshela ukuthi unkanyezi mama lokhu sivele sengalokho. So ubhuti ukankanyezi akayithatha kahle leyo nje ufile nje wasukuma babhavumela eloke enza yazi nje ubhuti kankanyezi has funny response, izinto ayikhulumayo ngathi akayicabangi. So baloke belwa-ke bephikisana erecognize ivuko zakhe ababuka nje ubonga wathi nje seniqedile bathula then waqhubeka nala kade kukhuluma. So bathatha isinqumo se-divorce and then babiza bonke abantu and babatshela ngakho. Umpho u-advise ubonga ukuthi abize umalume bakhe bakhulume ngayo lento le ukuthi okay ngababiza umalume kodwa nje angifuni umuntu uzongitshela lo dudu ukuthi kumele ngibekezele and stuff ngoba ngeke ngikwenze lokho. Angeke ngize ngumuntu wesifazane, baningi kabi abantu besifazane la ngaphandle. Kanyezi bengafuna ukungilalela akahambe. Yazi Mpho lesikhathi ngisuggest indaba ye-divorce bengithi mhlawumbe unkanyezi uzongilwela akhombisa ukuthi uyangithanda kodwa hayi yena uvele wayamukela nje kanjalo i-divorce. So yeah, that's how ubonga feels about unkanyezi. He was just testing her about this suggested divorce, but unkanyezi didn't fight for him. Wayemelana unkanyezi decision yakhe ukuthi akakaready ukuba nomntwana cause usamela sebenzi usathola idile nje emsebenzini. Yeah, ubonga aka-understand naye lokho. So balwa ngalokho. Kuthe-ke okuhambeni kosuku unaledi unkanyezi packed izinto zakhe wayabuyela kubo bavalelisana kahle nje kwane-peace. And then umaka bonga shared umfonelile emtshela ukuthi uyafisa ukube ngabe naye kulesikhathi esinzima cause washo ukuthi unkanyezi ubebukeke intombazane elungile nje. Ngiyexolisa ukuthi udlula lokho udlula kuyona kodwa ngengikwazi ukukhuphuka ngize lapho ngoba ngiyagula ube right mfana wami. Lokho ngathi kumvusela ama-ingakes ubonga cause namajita akabezama ukukhuluma naye nje eloku ethi khuluma esho ukuthi uzizwa kanjani lombuzo ukuthi ihamba kanjani indaba ye-divorce afuna ukukhuluma. So after he snapped wahamba waya kubo kabhuti kankanyezi wawulanda imoto le ayithi ngenkanyezi ayithi igama layo usizofika or sizofika something like that because wayeqambe after his son because efuna unale unkanyezi amuzalele indodana. So he fetched the car. Ubhuti kankanyezi lost it. So wamsizisa wathi kanti nomuntu onjani esho lezi zinto zakhe ezi-ridiculous. Then unkanyezi wavela athi hayi ngeke bonga enza obukusele wenza kusele kubonga wasisi imoto ohamba nayo. On the other hand Umpho uthole enye i-penthouse ohlala kuyona oblocka uZitho nje iloke emshiyela amamiskoko engawabamba amafoni then wamblock emva kwalokho engaze akhulume nje naye. Ugcineke uZitho efonile with the private number. Umpho answered hayi wamdilika uZitho wathi nje wena uma usulahle ingane zakho ngempela uma ukuthi ngilahlile mina okay kodwa zona ingane zakho yini usukhohlwe yini imali ebhondi le kumele uyikhokhe. Mpho wathi nje ngizoyikhokha imali ebhondi wacisha ifoni. Then uma-parking lot ebemlandela uMpho ephuma esitolo, wafika uZitho wambhozomela nakhona futhi wathi nje wena Mpho usukhohliwe yini ukuthi awukhokhelile imali yesikole, awukhokhelile ama-medical aid, awukuthengile ukudla, imali ebhoni kona usukhohliwe yini. Wathi nje uMpho awungimele kancane, awungimele nje kancane, ngisazithola ngidinga isikhathi sami Zitho, wena nje awukwazi yini ukwenza lokho, wena nje lama-responsibility unginikeza wona makhulu, ngeke xoshe njengane esikoleni for ungakhokhi inyanga eyodwa. So yeah, and then unalady visited uMpho bezomkhombisa i-penthouse i-apartment le ayirentayo entsha. So-ke ya unalady waxoxela uMpho ukuthi unendodana, umtshela ukuthi nje njengoba izinto seyiqala ukuba serious i-relationship yabo, usefuna azi indodana yakhe. Wathi ngiyazi ukuthi wena uthi awunazi ingane, kodwa-ke ngifisa mina ngikwazi indodana yami. uMpho kathi saze ngishukela nje ngiqamba amanga ukuthi anayo ingane. Maybe futhi uzonikeza i-responsibility yokuthi akabuye astep up as udad ingane kanalady. Ngiyakusola lokho. So yeah, that's what happened on Mpho's side. On Vuyani's side, uVuyani ukhuluma noBeth wathi ngifuna sikhulume, uthi nje awuBeth ufuna sikhulume ngendodakazi yakho uMpumi. Uthi Beth yini inkinga? Wathi nje ngibona engazuthi kumele simnikeze isikhathi sakhe ukuthi nje abe independent, athi ukuyithola, yabona nje usevele nje wathatha sonke ispace la endlini, ushintsha zonke izinto. Kanti uVuyani ubalekela i-temptation, so usebenzisa lokho as an excuse. Wathi nje uBeth hayibo ngeke nje ukuthi iyafika indodakazi yami la sengiyayixosha, izohamba mayisifuna. Wena nje ngiyakubona ufuna ukulokhu uhamba half naked la endlini, khululeka wena, kumele wenze nje ugqoka fasa ibhulukwe lakho, ngekudala nje uzoyihambela, ngeke ngikwazi ukumxosha. Wayiluza kanjalo leyo Beth uVuyani. And then Beth had work to do for 3 days, mina angabi khona endlini. So yeah, Vuyani usekakeni. He told his boys bavele nje benze ihlaya ngayo. Omunye bathi nje ubonga uMpho bathi wena ngina lengane. Then Tsitsi ubebakhuza ethi ungawathatha ama-advisor lapha, bayithi yasondela nje ngengane shaya isandla, ithi yasondela shaya isandla. So yeah, and uMpumi-ke nje ubengayibekile phansi, elokhu eqhubeka nje enamathele uVuyani. So yeah, ugcina iwinile iBeth uMpumi, akuthola lokho akufunayo uVuyani. So yeah, we gotta see what will happen if fate finds out, because ngeke azayithathele uBeth, ngeke azayithathele phansi lento le eyenzakala la phakathi kwaVuyani nendodakazi yakhe. I think this will be the final straw for Vuyani ukuthi aluze iClub or aluze indawo yokuhlala, and ngathi nje uzophindela emumva la kade khona ekuqaleni, and bese beqala ukuzwana benobaba wakhe. So yeah, kuzoba hectic for uBoy because akakwazanga naye ukuthi ayithware, ahone ukuyithwara. Yeah, that's that for Vuyani. And then on Tsitsi's side, he uthengile imoto yakhe endala le ayebadayisele yona igusheshe, usekuthengile futhi selibuyele ngakuyena. I think usebenzise le mali ye-heist ababekuyona noMickey, then watshela ama-boys akhe ukuthi yena noMickey buy-item futhi sebelungisele izinto. Ama-boys nje avele aphathwe ikhanda athi nje uMickey futhi boy, uMickey uyamazi nje ukuthi lo mntwana uyi-troublesome kanjani. And uyi-troublesome because they went to like a car wash or something, or restaurant yaseKasi beno Tsitsi, they were eating ikota. So umemeza umike wathi nje i-stretches yami ebizuweta i-stretches yami bengi-odile la i-stretches awuyilethanga la i-stretches wathi ngithi sikhuleka i-stretches nje u-cheese nje kuphela azi-stress wathi ungangitshela ukuthi nje u-cheese nje kuphela yeyi wena yazi mina ngizokushaya ngempama esho uweta yazi mina ngizokushaya ngempama wathi uthi usabathe uweta wehlisa umoya ethi nje khululeka sisi ngizozama khululeka mem ngizozama ukulungisela into yakho wathi ubiza bani ngomem ubiza bani ngomem uthe nje samemeza kanjalo esaphenduka uhlanga phuma uhamba uyitsithi ngena emotweni uhamba umshiya kanjalo and then he went home wafica the therapist ihleli nogogo wayo yamtshela the way imkhuphula ngakhona and stuff so yeah ukuleyo ngxaki kalokhu and ugogo warned utsitsi ngomiki ukuthi nje intombazane engalungile kwenzakaleni ngoba phela ubusu-right ne-therapist usuphinde wabuyela kule mpilo yakho amthembisa ugogo ukuthi ngiyabuyela kuyona wara but-ke u-brothers angathi uyayithanda le nkinga emiki so yeah naye umiki is gonna be downfall yakho tsithi as uvuyana ama-temptations azobe downfall yakhe on the other hand and then kwi-couple yethu two ubonga benonkanyezi we don't know guys because labayaba it's a childish yeah ingamele basheshe bashade bengayikhulumi zonke lezi zinto because even besawi-relationship besayi-girlfriend and boyfriend they were always fighting behlukana babuyelana and stuff so yeah I think it's better be separated because ba-toxic akekho ufuna ukulalela omunye independent woman omunye uyi-independent man so yeah kunedrama eningi and then as for uzithu nje need to step up naye akhokhele iy'ngane zakhe akuzona iy'ngane zampolisi kulindele ukuthi everything izokwenziwa umpho ukudla kuthengwe kuye i-bondi i-medical aid school fees alone yena nje wazi ukuthetha eloku ememeza lento enziwe ezithi is what they call baby mama drama siyazi ukuthi umpho cheated yes kwaku-wrong lokho but the way uzithi actor ngakhona seku-too much now anyways ilokho ekucabangwe mina amadoda ami so what are your thoughts guys about ama-episode eseke saba nawo i-Albertine for season 3 tell me what you think on the comments please don't forget to subscribe share like and ring that bell thank you see you on the next one bye